Good morning, students. Already we have started the topic article. Sorry, already we have started the topic determiners. This is the chapter number 3 from your grammar textbook. Okay, we have studied about the determiners. Just in short, I will explain about determiners, and then we will go further for the exercise. Determiners are the words who specify the noun. Okay, determiners are the four types of words. There are four types of determinants. You know that very well, you know that words very well, you are using always. See which are they. The first type of the determiner, they are called as articles. Articles also you have studied. There are three types of articles, a and the. These are also called as a determiner. Then demonstratives, there are four demonstratives: this, that, those, these are the demonstratives. Demonstrative means point out. In that word only there is a meaning. Then number 3, that is possessive determiners: my, your, his, her, its, their, our. Then fourth type we have quantitative. Much. Quantitative means the words which tells about the quantity. Much, little, some, any, enough, all, whole. These all are combinedly known as determiners. Then see the first, that is the articles. Articles a and. You know it very well, and I explained also. A and, these are the indefinite article, and the other is the definite article. A and is used, they are called as the indefinite article, okay, and are used when you are talking about a general version of a noun. A is used before the words that begin with the consonant, while an is used before the words begin with the vowel sound. Think about the pronunciation, the sound of that word, and then choose either a or an. Cow, we can say a cow because k is a consonant sound, so before that we should use a vowel article a. Then an is used before the vowel sound. Umbrella, it starts with a, so we should use an umbrella. So in this way, by thinking about the sound, you can choose a and the is used for, this is the definite article which is used to specify that object specifically you are speaking about, that time the is used. Then demonstratives, these, that, these, those. These are the demonstratives. What is meant by demonstrative? You know that words, these you are using, that you are using always, these, those, but you don't know they are called as a demonstratives. Demonstration means what? To show something, to point out something. So here the meaning is, demonstratives are used in situation in which the speaker can point out to the item they mean, making them even more specific than a definite article. So here demonstrative means to point out any situation, to point out anything, any noun, whatever we are using, that we are saying, that words we are saying we are using, that are the this, that, these, those. Most of this, that is used to point out the things, to point out the noun which are very closer to you. You can say, you can see, I can say that this is a mobile, okay, because it is near to me, okay. At that time, if when I'm speaking about tree, what I say, that is tree, okay, because it is far away from me. For the singular we are using this and that. Same thing for plural demonstratives, we are using these and those. If I am more mobiles, I don't have now exactly, so if I am more mobiles, one or two, see, think about it, that I have two mobiles now in my hand, so what can I say, that these are mobiles. And when I am speaking about far away things, about the more trees, those are trees, okay. So in this way, for to say about the plural which is closer to you, we are using these. The plural which is far away from you, we are using those for to point out, okay. Then we have third type. Type number 3, we have the possessive pronoun, okay. When you are speaking about a possessive pronoun, what we are speaking, the possession owning means this is my thing. You have owning on that thing. Okay, so my, your, his, her, it's, their, these are the possessive determiners. This is my mobile. So when I say my, then this is my, I'm showing about my owning. And how to identify determiners? After my there is the word, there is a noun, that is mobile. So these possessives, for to identify possessive determiner, think about after the possessive pronoun there is a noun. Okay, yesterday already I have explained. Then we have the quantitative. Few words are there which are quantifiers. Okay, quantifiers are the determiners that indicate, they indicate what they indicate. See, how much or how little of the noun is being discussed. Okay, how much you are discussing about that noun, how being little you are discussing about that noun, that is explained. Which are the word? That all the students. Then few, whatever, many, much, little, some, any, enough, all, whole. So these are the quantifiers. They are also known as determiners. See the exercise 1. Yesterday we have studied this all part also. See the exercise 1. Exercise A. Read the passage and insert the article if required. So what to do? Read the passage, and if you think there is that you should insert any article, so you have to write, just I have point out here upside, by putting the arrow you can write down. See what is the first? We looked under the tub, but the python was not there. A careful search was made of the house, the kitchen, garden. So here the is needed. The garden, then the stable and the poultry shed. But the python could not found anywhere. He must have gone over the garden wall, said grandfather. Aunt Mabel arrived next day for a 3-week visit, and for a couple of days grandfather and I were a little worried in case the python made a sudden appearance. But on the 3rd day, we have seen yesterday also, I think here it is. No. For the 3rd, the 5th, the 4th. Okay, in this way you are using the article. Then the 3rd day, when he did not show up, we felt sure that he had gone for good. And then towards evening, we were startled by scream by a scream from the garden. Seconds later, Aunt Mabel came flying up the flying up the veranda steps, looking as though she had seen the devil himself. Here devil means what? That python. Okay, so whole paragraph is about the python and how they are searching and what happened. Okay, in this way, by reading the text, you can choose whether you have to decide where you have to use the a and the article, and here they have said specifically that use the article, and articles are also the determiners. Then we have the exercise B. Complete this paragraph by using the suitable determiners given in the box. Now we have here compulsory use the determiners which are used in the box. They given in the box, choose from that and write it down. So let's see. The children of Vickers colony were playing cricket in the playground. Okay, in the playground, Ravi was batting when accidentally the ball crashed into one of the window pane of Mr. Gog's house. Mr. Gog rushed out of his house, pointing towards the broken window pane. He asked, "Which boy has broken that window pane?" Mr. Gog looked at children. He saw Ravi holding the bat. Most of the children looked petrified. Mr. Gog recalled his childhood. There were now here Mr. Gog recalled his childhood, and what he is saying, there were several occasions when he had caused some damage to one house or the other. This incident he experienced. He remembered. Once he had hit a ball that had gone right through the hedge surrounding the garden of the Mr. Ferdinand's house and hurt her shoulder. Mrs. Ferdinand's. 1 minute. I'll repeat the sentence. Once he had hit a ball that had gone right through the hedge surrounding the garden of Mrs. Fernandez's house and hurt her shoulder. Mrs. Fernandez had forgotten him instantly, and this was after all only dash window panes. Okay, this was after all only one, they used only, so only one window pane and not his shoulder. Mr. Gog went up to Ravi and said, "Give me your bat. Your batting technique are poor. Let me teach you a few." The boys took their position cheerfully. That evening, Mr. Gog displayed his fine batting skills. So here the one very nice incident given about the cricket. So in this way, by reading, by understanding that where to use the article, where to use the possessive pronoun. Here we have seen the use of the possessive pronoun. Your batting is poor, Mr. Gog is saying. So here your is used as a possessive pronoun. Then see the exercise C. Complete these sentences using either, both, each, every, many, other, another, any. These words you have to choose for the sentences. See first, dash day, every day, many species around the planet are becoming extinct. Then now two names are there. Okay, Mrinalini and Santosh. So both is used. Both Mrinalini and Santosh love to swim. I have many chores to complete today. Then number 4, Jagriti goes for a walk every morning. Number 5, the teacher asked the students, "Do you have any questions?" Okay, any question is there. Then number 6, may I have another bowl of halwa. Number 7, here you can use every or each. Okay, every house has its own parking. Number 8, both friends wanted to watch the same film. Number 9, where is the other racket? Okay, other racket. Number 10, there isn't any juice in the fridge. Number 11, you can park on that side of the street. You can park on either that side of the street, either. Number 12, you can use here every or each, any. Every question is of 5 marks or each question is of 5 marks. So according to this, you have to choose and write down. I think I have explained the 3 exercises. Today I will give you for as a homework exercise D and E, and tomorrow we will cross check the answers of exercise D and E and we'll go for the further exercise. Circle the correct option, complete the poem. Okay, here one poem is given and the words are also given. Only just very simple thing you have to do, that you have to choose two words options given, choose one. Okay, then what's about the fill in the blanks with the suitable determiners. Here one speech is given in the exercise E, so go through that E speech, properly read it, you can enact also and fill up with the determiners. Okay, this answer the today's homework exercise D and E, and we will discuss tomorrow the answers. Thank you.